Meditation has been around for thousands of years, rooted in ancient spiritual traditions and philosophies. However, it has also gained immense popularity in modern times as a powerful tool for stress reduction, relaxation, and personal growth. It's not just a practice for yogis or spiritual seekers, it's for everyone seeking inner peace and balance. Welcome to AJ's Info. Let's achieve success together. Elon Musk says meditation is a very useful tool to de-stress, reduce anxiety, and think more clearly. I would say it has been a very important thing for me. Picture this: you're sitting comfortably, eyes closed, and breathing in that positive energy. As you delve deeper into meditation, something magical starts happening within you. You begin to unlock the hidden potential of your mind and tap into the abundant universe. You see, meditation is not just about finding inner peace, it's about rewiring your thoughts and beliefs around wealth and abundance. It's like upgrading the software of your mind to attract financial opportunities and manifest prosperity. Let's break down some key ways meditation can help you on your journey to financial success. Clarity and focus. Meditation helps you clear mental clutter and improve your ability to focus. With a clear mind, you can set precise financial goals, develop strategic plans, and take consistent action towards achieving wealth. Emotional balance. Money matters can often bring about stress, anxiety, and fear. Through meditation, you learn to manage your emotions, remain calm, and make rational decisions even in challenging financial situations. Intuition and gut feelings. Regular meditation enhances your intuition, that inner knowing guiding you towards the right opportunities. It helps you trust your instincts and make informed choices, leading to financial success. Now, you might be thinking, but how does sitting quietly help me make money? Well, my friends, it's not just about the act of meditation itself. It's about the ripple effect it creates in your life. When you cultivate a peaceful and abundant mindset through meditation, you radiate that energy outwards. People are naturally drawn to individuals who exude positivity and confidence, opening doors to new partnerships, clients, and financial opportunities. One of the key ways meditation helps you get rich is by enhancing your mindset. As you meditate, you become more aware of your thoughts and beliefs around money. You uncover any limiting beliefs or negative patterns that may have been holding you back. By acknowledging and releasing these limitations, you create space for new empowering beliefs to take root. Meditation also cultivates a mindset of abundance. It allows you to tap into the infinite wellspring of creativity and ideas that reside within you. When your mind is calm and focused, you can access innovative solutions, spot opportunities, and make sound financial decisions. Just take a look at some of the most successful people in the world. Many of them credit meditation as a powerful tool in their wealth-building journeys. Richard Branson. Meditation has been an incredible tool for me. It's helped me stay centered, make better decisions, and tap into my intuition. It's a secret weapon for success. The benefits of meditation are endless. It's a gift that keeps on giving. So, why wait any longer? Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let's embark on this extraordinary adventure together. If you found this exploration of meditation and wealth insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up button. And remember, the true richness lies not just in monetary wealth but also in the fulfillment, joy, and positive impact we create in our lives and the lives of others. Until next time, may your meditations be filled with abundance, and may your wealth journey be a truly transformative one. Take care and stay prosperous.